And unlike the last elections in 2019, the Jamaica Cricket Association will make a late call on where its support lie for the upcoming CWI elections. However, one director knows where his vote will go. Jerome Foster tells us more.
In 2019, the Jamaica Cricket Association were adamant that they would not support their fellow countryman Dave Cameron for CWI president strictly on cricketing reasons. 2 years later, Ricky Skerritt, who they supported, is being challenged by Guyanese Anand Sanasi, and Dr. Donovan Bennett says a decision will be made next week where the magical X will be placed.
We're having presentations by the various camps, the two camps, on Wednesday. We're going to hear the presentations by both camps, and then a decision will come out of that. You know, I know where I lie. I'm not going to tell you where I lie. You probably know where I lie. Anyhow, my personal opinion is not of importance here. Is what the majority of the board comes up with. That will be the important factor in that election. We have some very hard questions for both groups. Right? I can tell you that.
First Vice President Bennett, a member of the CWI medical panel, thinks the incumbent is at a disadvantage.
You can't get much done in 2 years. I mean, by the time you finish planning and you start to put things into place, you have to face an election again. I think this the administration has been disadvantaged, not only with the fact that it's a 2-year thing, but the COVID took another year out of it also, right? So they have had very little time to institute a plan. So you know, that is unfortunate, you know.
Meanwhile, the surge in coronavirus cases on the island has seen drastic action taken by a touring team that were scheduled to come to Jamaica later this year.
Initially, South Africa was scheduled to play a 4-day game at the Trelawney Stadium and then a test match at Sabina Park. They are not coming to Jamaica again, as a decision has been taken because of the and it's not a decision by the West Indies board. It's not a unilateral decision. I think it came out of a request from South Africa for a change in the venue because of what is happening in Jamaica right now. So we won't be hosting that tour anymore.
Sabina Park last hosted a test match in 2019. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.